Thinking the original OM-1 was a beast? Hold on to your hat, because the Mark II is here to amplify everything you love about its predecessor. We're talking faster shooting, smoother video, and a supercharged buffer ready to tackle any action scene. Let's dive in and see how the Mark II raises the bar for Micro Four Thirds cameras. The OM-1 Mark II inherits the rugged construction that made its predecessor a favorite among adventurous photographers. However, it takes durability to new heights with improved weather sealing, ensuring reliable operation in the harshest environments. You'll appreciate the added touch of refinement in the ergonomics, with rubberized dials providing a tactile feel that enhances control and precision. While both OM-1 and OM-1 Mark II share a similar tough-as-nails persona, the Mark II's design caters to those who demand uncompromising performance in the field. Whether you're navigating rugged terrains or braving the elements, this camera will be your trusty companion, delivering exceptional results no matter the challenge.
Are you struggling to explain your idea? Your audience is not getting what you're trying to say. An animated explainer video is a perfect solution for you. Explainer video simplifies any complex ideas through engaging animations, transitions, voiceovers, and meaningful scripts, which all together create a fun experience for any viewer. And here comes 10 Studio, a team of skilled professionals dedicated to creating engaging explainer videos. With over thousands completed projects, we have the expertise to create explainer videos that break down your message and connect with your audience. Get in touch with 10 Studio today.
At the heart of both cameras lies a 20MP Micro Four Thirds sensor, but the OM-1 Mark II takes image quality to new heights. With superior low-light performance and an expanded dynamic range, you'll capture stunning images that truly do justice to the scenes before you. Whether you're capturing dramatic landscapes or intimate portraits, the Mark II's ability to handle challenging lighting conditions will leave you in awe. For those who appreciate the finer details, the OM-1 Mark II offers a significant advantage with its 14-bit RAW output, delivering a remarkable 3 times the tonal range of its predecessor. This added depth and nuance will elevate your post-processing capabilities, allowing you to craft truly exceptional images. If you are a photography enthusiast, then you would know how crucial it is to have a good autofocus system in your camera. The OM-1 had a decent autofocus system, but the Mark II takes it to the next level. With an astounding 1053 focus points spread across almost the entire sensor, the Mark II offers blazing fast and pinpoint accurate focusing, making sure you never miss the shot you desire. That's not all. The Mark II also boasts state-of-the-art AI subject detection, which means you can now take high-quality photos of birds in flight or capture high-energy sports events without worrying about tracking issues. The camera can recognize your subject and focus on it effectively, ensuring you get the perfect shot every time. The OM-1 Mark II is a great choice for those who love capturing motion. It's a big improvement over the previous model, offering enhanced 4K video recording. The Mark II goes even further with 14-bit RAW output, giving you rich colors and more flexibility in editing. What really makes it stand out is its vertical video support, perfect for today's mobile and social media-focused world. Forget about spending time on post-production. With this camera, your content will be captivating right from the start. When it comes to sheer speed and responsiveness, the OM-1 Mark II leaves its predecessor in the dust. While the original OM-1 was no slouch, the Mark II's cutting-edge TruePic X processor takes things to a whole new level. With faster processing speeds and a higher continuous shooting rate of up to 20 frames per second using the electronic shutter, you'll never miss a beat when capturing fast-paced action. But raw speed isn't the only advantage. The Mark II also boasts an improved buffer capacity, allowing you to rattle off more frames in a burst before hitting the limit. This is a game-changer for sports photographers, wildlife enthusiasts, or anyone who needs to capture extended sequences of high-speed action without interruption. While the OM-1 already offered an impressive array of computational photography modes, the Mark II takes things to new heights. One standout addition is the Live ND filtering, which digitally simulates the effects of neutral density, filters up to an incredible ND 128. With this tool at your disposal, you can achieve dreamy long exposures and creative blur effects without lugging around a bag full of physical ND filters. And that's just the beginning. The Mark II also introduces advanced focus stacking and handheld live composite modes, opening up new realms of creative expression. Whether you're a landscape photographer seeking tack-sharp focus from foreground to background, or an astrophotographer looking to capture ethereal star trails, these modes empower you to push the boundaries of what's possible with a camera. When it comes to value and versatility, both the OM-1 and OM-1 Mark II have their unique strengths. While the original OM-1 remains an excellent choice at $2,000 for enthusiast photographers and videographers on a budget, the Mark II justifies its premium $3,000 price tag with a host of game-changing features and improvements tailored for professionals and advanced creators. Overall, both the OM-1 Mark II and OM-1 cater to diverse needs, providing exceptional tools for photographers and videographers alike. The decision between them lies in your creative preferences. Whether you seek the pinnacle of innovation or a reliable workhorse for your photographic adventures, choose wisely and let your creativity unfold through the lens of these exceptional cameras. So that's all about whether the OM-1 Mark II is better than OM-1. Do let us know what you think about this, as we'd love to hear from you. And as for everything else, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and hit the bell icon if you want more content like this on your feed.